Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you what's the best possible way for you to build your own portfolio website on Squarespace completely for free, guys, and in a couple of easy steps. So please pay attention because, as I said, you do not need any prior coding knowledge. You do not need any initial investment. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and anyone basically can do it. Beginners, intermediate, experts, guys. This video is mostly focused on beginners, of course, but anyone can do it. So let's check it out together. Without any further ado, guys, let's get started. First thing first that you need to do, of course, is to go to squarespace.com. If you do not have an account, that's perfect because you're eligible to try your own 14 days, 2 weeks free trial. Perfect. Once you make your account, guys, account dashboard, you can press on it, and then what we need to do else is to go on create section right here. You can press on it and be redirected straight away right here, and you can check it out, guys, where you can see plenty of options. Make any template yours with ease, online store, portfolio, membership, popular designs, collaboration, and so on. So you can press on portfolio right here. You can see best template matches here for you. You can check them out, guys. Brandy Ortiz right here. You can see you can use some existing templates, guys, for yourself. For example, let's try out this one. You can see you can switch the colors, you can switch everything. So let's see how it works. Yeah, it's pretty decent. I mean, it's really simple, super decent, guys. You can check it out for yourself. Start with this design. We can press on it and then see what will pop up. So once you press on it, once you choose your design, guys, once you choose your template, that's where the magic starts, basically. That's where your imagination comes to life and everything, because as I said, you need to adjust your website, your templates to you, to your product, to your, in this case, portfolio. So let's get started. Website is here, guys. What we need to do is to go on edit right here. We can check it out. For example, your site title and text right here. For example, let's just see, this will be Nick Crowd. We need to switch that, and let's see how it looks like. Is this something that I'd like this, huh? Okay. Oh my god, just a moment here. We need to switch Nick. All right, Nick Crowd. It looks amazing. It's really decent. That's the first thing I want to show you. After that, your site title right here. Site title logo, guys. You can upload a logo, upload a file like this, open it. So now we're waiting. You can upload a mobile logo as well, 20 megabytes maximum, guys. So in a couple of seconds, guys, we have our name, we have our logo out here. We can add some elements, guys, who wants buttons. For example, button, you can see like this, book me, social links, card, guys, right here, chart, you can see the chart if you're selling something. So gallery, about, you can delete this if you do not like that, guys. Just press on delete and so on. So let's see, press on save, and let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's check it out. This is the picture. So you need to double click on it, on picture, and we can replace it. I'm sorry I don't have my picture right now, guys, but we'll do the logo one instead, just for the video purposes. It will be not in a good resolution. It will be really, yeah, it doesn't look good, but it's just for the videos purposes, for you how to actually switch, how to change the image, guys. NYC photographer and art director, guys, we'll put right here, not like that. We'll just delete the text and maybe just put in, I don't know, yep, like this. YouTube and spokesperson, the crowd, guys. We switched it already. What we need to do else, guys? About section is extremely important for you. So let's see how can you, basically in a couple of easy seconds, how can you make it for yourself even better, even easier. So just when I want to move it, it doesn't move. When I don't want to move it, it moves. So yeah, it's okay. Now it doesn't want to move at all. Okay, that's it. So please, I must be careful, right? Okay, can I just delete this? Thank you. So we need to delete text, and after that, guys, you not need to think of any text. You not need to go to ChatGPT either. You have integrated AI right here. You can see introducing a Squarespace AI. I have this short informative video, 43 seconds. So feel free to check it out for yourself. Press on OK, and then just a couple of easy sentences, prompts, guys, right here. Let's just see. Let's see what we will get about this. Okay, shorten, lengthen. We need something more. Okay, we get short description. We'll put it right here, guys. We just need to move it. About us, I just wanted to keep it here, and you can check it out. So edit section right here, layers, duplicate, and so on and so on. You can add a block, of course, of maybe an image. So right here we can add a block of image. We'll put it right here, a bit larger. Okay, a bit larger as well, like this. So we have an image right now, and we just need to upload it. And I already know how to do it, guys. Upload a file, select from library, browse stock images, maybe something like this, some free images, and so on. You can search it, guys, and so on. You can see how it looks like. For example, add an image. It ain't matter. It's, as I said, for the video purposes only. So we add it. You can see the picture. It looks pretty amazing, pretty clean, guys. About Brandy, I forgot about this part right here. Again, I'm moving it. So it's about Nick, and everything is in caps, like this. About Nick, here's he's a YouTuber, guys. You can have the picture right here. That basically means nothing, but we just want to remove this. Remove. We are not a photographers, guys. Philosophies here. We do not need philosophy section, if I'm right. Remove this. This we can check it out, guys. You can see some my stories, some stuff like that, but again, we do not need this as well. Here it is. We can check it out. Add a section. After about section, guys, what you need: contact, about, people, product, services. Of course, you had about section. So what we need to do else is to offer to them maybe like this. Before you add services or product section, it depends on your niche, guys, on your product. What we need to do is to add a blank section. Right here, we're gonna call it, guys, add a block like this for text. Let's just see text right here, recent work or previous work or my experience, something like that. You can check it out. Recent work. You can put it recent work right here, guys. You can put it wherever you want to put it, like this maybe. You can switch it, you can change it, guys, right here, like this. Recent work section. Oh my god, it's centered right here. Down below, add a block, guys. Your files, your books, your products, your recent services, satisfied customers. You can even call this section satisfied customers, guys, but I would advise you then to make first services and product section. I'm going to show you later. So add a block right here, maybe some images, maybe some videos, maybe some audio, maybe some accordion, quote, I don't know. Text, you can add a text and see and write down your recent work, guys. But right here, what we're going to do is to add an image. Again, we're going to do it with stock, because as I said, guys, I don't want to attach any of my videos right now because this is a website just for videos purposes. So we made this amazing volcano as a recent work, and you can check it out right here. It looks pretty amazing. Again, image right here, guys. Let's add stock images again. We made this amazing. We traveled the world in a boat. Let's see. Looks pretty decent. Save. And that's it. So boat and a volcano. We have a recent work right here. We can download it down below. Let's just put it down below. I will put it this way so I can do this. Add a video, guys. What we need to do else right here, when you're adding a video, we can put it here. This will be our video. Add a video, 30 minutes max. I can add my previous videos, guys. Add a video, upload a file. So yeah, we have some huge videos, so I'm not quite sure how much it will take to download it, but it goes pretty quickly. So here is my recent work, and you can check it out. So it does look amazing. I mean, when you're making portfolio websites, you need plenty of sections, guys, because then then your customers will getting bored. You need to be straight away, guys, straightforward. This, and that. This is who I am. This is what I've done, guys. These are my satisfied customers, and this is what I can offer to you. That's it. That's all you need. So again, we're waiting for the video to download, guys. It's perfect, so we just need to wait a bit more. Save. Again, do not forget to save. Add section right here. Again, as I said, services. And you can pick right here. You have this one, our services. You can add it, guys. Highlight your services, our services. You have plenty of templates for you guys, whatever suits you, whatever you use. So I'm maybe going to go with this one. Our services, book section right here. Legal consulting, mentoring, guys. You can check it out. A legal one. We'll put right here, I don't know, like this. Okay, description that goes in here. Again, you can use AI, guys, you get the point. Back right here, consulting, let's just say consulting right here will be video editing. Video editing. Back right here, for mentoring will be, I'm not quite sure what to write in, guys, right here, maybe mentoring can be good. I think I can actually mentor someone, why not? Teaching right here, again, teaching right here will be some courses, and that's it. You can see, guys, right here, press and save, of course. Making a video editing, mentoring courses, guys. Out here down below is your section. Add section right here will be stay on the loop, email address and everything, and you can add a footer as well. So as I said, our video is still downloading, so please, guys, stay in tune, stay in touch. Right here will your book me button, guys. You will connect to your mail address or anything, or you can just connect it to your website that you build right now. But you can see how it looks like. You can scroll and see what we've done. Gallery about right here, we just didn't edit site header. We did not need gallery. Maybe we did not need gallery because we deleted images, but of course we have our recent photos and everything. So let's just see what we can do here, guys. Gallery, show pages, content right here. We can check it out and how it looks. We just need to wait for the video to be done. Login account, book me right here section. As I said, you can check it out. Edit design, everything's saved. Looks beautiful. Edit site footer. You can edit the site footer, guys, right here. Stay in the loop, email address right here. Brandy Ortiz. You can just put in right here, guys. 2024. I guess Nick Crowd, YouTuber, Way of Wealth, name of the channel. Right here. Again, perfect, easy, amazing. Book me section right here. Video is still taking a while, guys, to load. Save right here, and that's as easy as that, guys. Please give it a shot. So once we go back right here, guys, we can see pages section is here, gallery, demo about here, right here. You can check it out, guys. For gallery, you can check it out. Gallery will bring you to this. So we need to delete it, of course. We do not need that. About section is here, guys. We need to switch that as well, guys, because we switched our about section. But this is video for another time. So right here, again, you can edit pages for yourself. Main navigation, as I said, you can press on edit. And then what we need to do is to switch it to our cause. This is whole about section. The first one that I showed you is just the front of your website, guys. Right here is where your about section will lead you. So you need to put in about me. Again, what we need to do is again to switch the picture, guys, right here, upload a file, channel, Way of Wealth right here, the whole same process, but just the same thing that you've done. Save. Let's just save it. Go back right here, go back right here, save. And yeah, in gallery section, you can check it out. We switched it, guys. Again, perfect. About section, again, guys, you can check it out. About section, you can press on it on page and see where will it take you. About section, home, and not linked again still, but home section is here. Home section that we changed, guys. Again, video is loading still, so everything is looking beautiful right now, right here. Bookings, demo section is here again. As I said, once you've done with the home page, you need to go to edit section right here, guys. I'm sorry, back. Exit, go to pages, of course, pages section, and switch every single one of those for yourself. In styles, you can go to styles, guys, change heading, change buttons, change colors and everything. But again, I will make plenty of videos about Squarespace, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.